Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. International trade questions are tricky, but we can solve this tariff problem by analyzing price changes for domestic producers and consumers. When a nation imposes an import tariff on aluminum, the domestic price of that aluminum rises above the world price. This change immediately impacts everyone buying or selling in the market. This higher price encourages domestic firms to produce more, so the domestic quantity supplied increases. Producers are happy because they earn more revenue per unit sold, which increases their total surplus. Consumers now face higher aluminum costs. Because they pay more per unit, consumer surplus decreases significantly, making option B the correct choice. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing and watch signs. Trust given facts and check your logical steps.